Hello everyone, welcome to the WARC Kyrgyz tutorials. We are continuing to explore interesting topics in the Kyrgyz language. In this video we will talk about pronouns or atatoch. Let's start. Before starting to learn new types of pronouns and rules regarding them, let's review the personal pronouns in the Kyrgyz language which we discussed in an earlier video. In the Kyrgyz language, personal pronouns are called jahtama atatoch. Men, I, sen, you, singular, informal. Siz, you, singular, formal. Al, he, she, it. Biz, we. Siler, you, plural, informal. Sizler, you, plural, formal. Alar, they. We also have demonstrative pronouns, words like the English this, that, this, and those. We call them shilteme atatoch in Kyrgyz. Let's take a look at the demonstrative pronouns in Kyrgyz and see some example sentences with them. Bul, this, tigi, that, bular, this, tigiler, those. Let's use them in sentences. Bul bozuy. This is a yurt. Tigil menin uyum. That is my house. Bular kitapter. These are books. Tigiler studentler. Those are students. Like personal pronouns, demonstrative pronouns take different endings depending on the case. Let's see how all four demonstrative pronouns look in different cases. The nominative case: bul, tigi, bular, tigiler. The genitive case: munun, tiginin, bulardın, tigilerdin. The dative case: buga, tigige, bularga, tigilerge. The accusative case: munu, tigini, bulardı, tigilerdi. The locative case: mında, tigide, bularda, tigilerde. The ablative case: mından, tigiden, bulardan, tigilerden. In addition to personal and demonstrative pronouns, we also have negative pronouns or tangıç atatoçtor. Let's see some negative pronouns in Kyrgyz language and examples with them. Echkim, nobody. Echnerse, nothing. Hiçbir, none of. And let's complete this group by learning two important adverbs that express negative concepts. Hiç kaçan, never. Hiç kayda, nowhere. Üniversitede hiç kim yok. There is no one at the university. Biz hiç kayda barbayız. We are not going anywhere. Hiçbir okucu bargan yok. None of the students will go. Next, let's look at indefinite pronouns or belgisiz atatoçtor. Kimdir biri, somebody. Bir nerse, something. An important related adverb to know is alda kayda, somewhere. Let's take a look at some examples with those new words. Uygu kimdir biri keldi. Someone came home. Geçe bir nerse boldu. Something happened yesterday. Alar alda kayda getişti. They go somewhere. The last category we will look at today is reflexive pronouns, which are used when the object and the subject of the sentence are the same. In English, reflexive pronouns end in self. For example, myself, yourself, and etc. To express reflexive pronouns in Kyrgyz language, we start with the word özü, meaning itself. Then add the appropriate ending. Let's look at the chart. Özüm, myself. Özün, yourself, singular, informal. Özünüz, yourself, singular, formal. Özü, himself, herself, itself. Özübüz, ourselves. Özüngür, yourselves, plural, informal. Özüңүздөр, yourselves, plural, formal. Өздөрү, themselves. Let's see some examples with reflexive pronouns. Мен өзүмдү көзгөдөн көрүп жатам. I see myself in the mirror. Ал кыргыз тилин өзү үйрөнүп жатат. He teaches himself Kyrgyz. Алар өздөрүн коргоп жатат. They defend themselves. As you can see from those examples, reflexive pronouns have different endings depending on what case they are in. Let's look at this in depth using the example of özüm, meaning myself. The nominative case, özüm. The genitive case, özümdün. The dative case, özümü. The accusative case, özümdü. The locative case, özümdü. The ablative case, özümdün. Today we talk about the pronouns. In the next video, we will continue exploring other interesting topics in the Kyrgyz language. So please subscribe to our channel, like our video and share our content with friends. Görüşкөнчө.